Hey guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on that TV. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content.
But I am hoping to continue at this more than 10 years. I'm sure that we will create a lot of attractive things for her and for us, because we are not focusing on legal markets, we are focusing on the best African markets. So there is a lot of things we can do, we can collaborate and we can create the benefits. For the price, of course, as you know, it's confidential. I cannot tell you any price, but what you can know, Efia is the best, so we gave the best. So that is the thing I can share with you. Whatever she deserves, we did our job. Even we will do more. I'm hoping that. And what was else? There was one.
The last question I think is maybe her responsibilities.
Obviously, you guys know I am the social media queen, and my responsibility is to showcase the amazing furniture that Your Decor has. And we have a lot of surprises coming up for you guys. So just make sure you are available on my social medias. I'll be showcasing all of the. Good evening, everyone, and I want to thank you all for. Okay, like I said, sorry. Good evening, everyone, and I want to thank you all for coming to the unveiling of me as the brand ambassador for Your Decor. One thing about Your Decor is that they are unique in style. As I was discussing with Simba earlier, like my style is definitely unique, and that's what attracted me to even want to work with Your Decor. So I just cannot wait to show you guys on my Instagram and my Snapchat the different designs and the things that we're going to show you guys. So expect the best, because I only give you guys. Good evening, everyone, and I want to thank you all for. Okay, like I said, sorry. Good evening, everyone, and I want to thank you all for coming to the unveiling of me as the brand ambassador for Your Decor. One thing about Your Decor is that they are unique in style. As I was discussing with you earlier, my style is definitely unique, and that's what attracted me to even want to work with Your Decor. So I just cannot wait to show you guys on my Instagram and on Snapchat the different designs and the things that we're going to show you guys. So expect the best, because I only give you guys the best. Again, thank you all for coming.
Good evening. So I don't want to bother you too much. It's already late. But thank you very much for coming and joining us. I guess I hope everybody is glad with that. So it's a pleasure to host you, to see you. Simba already mentioned our journey from Turkey, from Bali, Moscow to Ghana. And I'm feeling like this and everything. I'm feeling like this here. And so, of course, we are very motivated for the Ghana markets. We are very happy to be around. Last 4 years, we were working as a wholesale with the biggest construction companies for the infrastructure projects, and we are starting last 2 years started already as a retail in the showroom, it's 3-story building, and we are now very happy to share our new royal furniture for the royal people of the Ghana, because we believe that Ghana people deserve the best, if they're affordable, with the reasonable price. I don't want to mention anything about the details, you will see everything, but I'm very happy to see this royal lady with us, and she is joining us for the next year. We will be together, so we will create a lot of different contents to share with not only for Ghana, for the West Africa. So we have a lot of plans. We will be doing some studies. We will do a lot of different attractive things to share with the markets. I want to tell you one more time, thank you very much for coming and joining us. I don't want to talk too much. I want to give this microphone to this royal lady. Welcome.
Thank you.
You guys shock me.
Give them. Come again.
Want the ambassadors as well, you can add it to your phone, but if you don't want it, it's fine. So, yes.
Please project to us, yeah?
And then this dining set, very cheap, but quality. Have a storage.
This can who are you free?
Yes, it's very great for, you know. Yeah, you love it?
Quality.
Exactly, see? Just
By the
and our royal, these are royal furniture, guys. So it's top tier. And then comes the dining.
bar style.
Rock star.
Bar style bag. Bar style bag.